Okay, now that you are comfortable with elimination, we can add another level of difficulty. So previously, we were looking for equations that had opposite coefficients. Well, in this case, we don't have any opposite coefficients. If I added these together, I get 7x, positive y, negative 11. Nothing's going to be eliminated. But I could make these both into 10 and negative 10. I could make these into 6 and negative 6, and then one of them would be eliminated. It is a little easier if we notice this is a positive and this is a negative to make this coefficient into a 6 and this into a negative 6. So if I multiply my top equation by 2 and my bottom equation by 3, that's going to give me 6x here and a negative 6y here. I'm sorry, 6y up top and a negative 6y on the bottom. So we're going to multiply everything by 2. So this equation becomes 4x plus 6y equals 10. On the bottom, we're going to multiply everything by 3. That's 15x, that's negative 6y, and that's negative 48. Now, I notice if I just solve those equations, I could just add these guys up, my y's would be eliminated, and I'm good to go. So let's do that. Let's add 4x plus 15x, 19x. My y's are eliminated, and we're left with negative 38 on this side. So we have 19x equals negative 38. Let's solve for x. So x equals negative 2. Plugging that back into either one of our equations. Let's plug it into the top. Let's see. 2 times negative 2 plus 3y. So y equals 3. So our two answers are x equals negative 2 and y equals 3. Of course, we're going to check that by plugging it into both. So let's go with 2 times negative 2 plus 3 times 3. Let's see if we get 5. Negative 4 plus 9. We do, in fact, get 5. Awesome. Bottom one, we take 5 times x plus 3 times 3. And let's see if we get negative. Oops, I messed up that bottom one. Wrong equation. Minus 2 times 3. And let's see if we get negative 16. We get negative 10 minus 6 equals negative 16. So yeah, it worked for both. So we are good. So you are looking to make coefficients be opposite so that one of our variables would drop out. We could do this problem by making this a positive 10 and this a negative 10 and having our x's drop out. You can do it either way. So make sure you have all of this in your notebook, including all of these notes.